All right, so what do we have today, Ramel?
A Razor electric four-wheeler.
Is it fast?
Yeah.
Which one faster? This or the four-wheeler?
Oh my course. This.
You think the four-wheeler gonna be faster?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go ahead and unbox it.
But I think both of these two gonna be the same now. I think both of them gonna win.
Think it's gonna win?
Yeah, I think it's
All
gonna
right,
be.
well, go ahead and open it so we can unbox. Uh-oh. You got it, man? Oh, okay, so it already pretty much come together, right?
Uh-huh.
Let's see what you got in the box.
This thing is metal. And this is metal.
You got
This
the
is
handlebar. Okay, so the handlebar is already connected.
And this is metal.
And what's in this box right here? Turn around.
Charger.
Let me see. Charger,
I
okay.
got this. They got this
All right,
handle.
I'm gonna help you pull it out.
I mean, we can carry it.
Yeah, that's not too bad, so it already come together. So that's the way it looks in the box already together. Okay, so that's how it comes out the box. You gotta put the handlebars on there. Is them tires rubber?
Yeah, and it's solid.
So you gotta put air in them?
No, they're solid.
Is the tires made like those, or is it made like your mama car tires?
Let me see. These made like my mom's car tires.
Is it?
And this one is, and both of these is different.
You sure they different?
Yeah, because
I'm gonna bring your other four-wheeler here in a minute. Well, I'll take it outside so you can do a side-by-side comparison. We're gonna get the instructions and put this thing together. Okay, so for the steering wheel, they got the bracket, the Allen wrench is included. All right. You know how to put it on?
No.
See, so all they had to do is just put the bracket on there. You got
Okay.
4 Allen screws up top.
Huh?
It's not too bad, baby boy.
Yeah.
I don't know though, man. I think that Huffy gonna be a little bit faster. What you
No,
think?
I think both of these gonna
Which
be
one your mama gonna drive?
The slow ones.
And which one is the slow one?
The John Deere. Also we upgraded the John Deere. Also we upgraded it.
What you mean you upgraded?
We upgraded to different value.
Oh, the John Deere fast now, ain't it?
Yeah.
The John Deere might give you some run for your money.
Yeah.
All right, let's get Papa on the video.
In that drawer.
You can't ride no four-wheeler.
We finally got it unboxed and he outside with it. How you cut it on, big man? Just the power button? All right, now get on.
I too serve.
Get on and see.
No.
Don't do it hard, just get on and see. Yeah, there you go. Slow down. She's going to go get you, boy. You like it? Let me ride.
Come here.
What this one doing? What this little dog doing? Let me ride, Ramel. That's pretty pretty little decent speed to it. He just don't know how to burn out with it yet and hit the brakes. Other than that. Uh-oh. Came out pretty good. So we got the Razor 24-volt four-wheeler. We got the Huffy Turex 24-volt. Both got rubber tires. Let's see. Who we have today? We got Ramel. And who is this young lady?
Mama.
Okay. So, who's gonna say 1, 2, 3, go?
Me.
Who's gonna say it? Me. All right, let me get right here. Whenever you ready, Ramel.
1, 2, 3, go.
I guess the Razor got him. I guess the Razor is faster. Sheesh. All right, second race. We got Ramel on the Razor 24-volt. Ramel. Let's see. So the Razor has a brake pedal, has a twist throttle,
Yeah.
has rubber tires.
Yeah, and look at the back.
Let's see how the brakes work. Okay, your brakes work good. All right. So the Huffy Turex has a metal frame, has somewhat rubber tires too, has a metal tow hitch. Let's see the foot pedal for his mom. So this one has accelerator pedal, brake pedal, on off switch, throttle ready to go. So let's see, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how this race right here play out. I'm gonna say on your mark, get set, go. Then we're gonna go on go, okay? Let me go back here. There should be plenty of room for you to tell which one is actually faster. Yep, this is a pretty good distance right here. So let's see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go. The Razor jumped him out the hole pretty bad. The Huffy was right behind him. I mean, the Huffy's rated at 10 miles an hour. The Razor is rated at 8 miles an hour. The Razor has a little bit quicker acceleration, but I know who can't drive. One good thing about this Huffy is it has reverse. The Razor doesn't have reverse. So let's see, we're gonna do this from this angle right here. Gonna do it from this angle right here. Whenever you ready, Ramel. I want you to say it. Oh man, that Razor jumped him out the hole. That Huffy got a delay. Yeah, Huffy got a little delay on it, but